Hello children, welcome to grade 1 class of EVS. Today we are going to learn about celebrations and festivals. I'll sing a song and you should guess what will we do on that day. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes children, when do we sing this song?
Birthdays.
Yes, right. On whose birthday?
My birthday.
Yes, you sing on your birthday and even on your brothers, sisters, your mom, dad's birthdays you sing this song. And what do we do on this day?
Cake.
What do you cut? Yeah, we cut the cake, we wear new clothes, we eat chocolates, we celebrate this event with the family. And sometimes your mom and dad also are celebrating their marriage day, that is marriage anniversary. On that day also you celebrate, you cut the cake, you have a dinner with the family together. These celebrations are called as family festivals. The festivals which we celebrate with all our family members are called family festivals. And you know which country do we live? Which country do we live? India. India is our country and India is having many religions. Can you name some religion? You don't know? Guess. Can you name some religion?
Hindu.
Hinduism, very good. One more religion can you name? Very good, good.
Christianity.
Christianity, very good. Claps for you all. Can you tell one more religion? One more.
Islam.
Islam, yes. Then, any races again? Even Sikh also is a religion. We have Hindu, Muslims, Christians and even Sikh in our country. Our country is having lot of religions and lot of religions are having different festivals. Can you guess one festival where you love to light crackers? Burn crackers. Can you guess that which festival is that?
Diwali.
Diwali. Yes, on Diwali we light up lights. We burn crackers and we worship goddesses Lakshmi to seek blessings. And this day we wear new clothes, eat lot of sweets. This day is called as Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by which people? Hindu people. Hindu people celebrate Diwali. Diwali usually comes in the month of October or November or in Kartik Maas. And which day do Muslims celebrate festivals? Do you know? Muslims celebrate one big festival. Which is that? Can you guess?
Ramzan.
Ramzan. Do you know why they celebrate Ramzan? I'll tell you. They fast for 1 month. They offer prayers in masjid. They fast for the whole month. They don't eat anything from morning to evening. And when the new moon comes after 1 month, they celebrate the festival by embracing and greeting each other. They wish each other by telling Eid Mubarak and they prepare one special dessert. That dessert is called as Sevia or Sheer Kurma. And they wish each other with Eid Mubarak. This way they celebrate the festival. Which festival do they celebrate? By eating Shevaya? Can you guess? Ramzan. Yes, it is also called as Ramadan. Okay. Now let me sing a song and you should guess which festival it is. Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Do you remember why do we sing this song and when do we sing this song?
Merry Christmas.
Yes, even we sing the song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. When do we celebrate Christmas? Any guesses? We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It is the birth date of Jesus Christ. People go to church, offer prayer to Lord Jesus and they decorate their house with Christmas cribs. And Christmas comes on which date?
25th.
25th December. You all are very good children. A clap for you people. You are smart children. So now we will learn about Sikh. Sikh people celebrate their festival that is called as Guru Purab. they go to Gurudwara, they do worship, they worship their Guru, and they also serve food and which all people will eat together. That food which they eat together as prasadam is called as langars. They do it at Gurudwara. Do you know we have a big golden temple of Sikhs in our country? Have you ever seen?
Yes.
You have seen? Wow! Tell which temple is that?
Golden Temple.
Yes, it is Amritsar's Golden Temple, which is famous Gurudwara in our India. Okay. Now, children, till now we have learnt about family festivals. In family festivals, we learned that we celebrate festivals with the family, and then we also saw religious festivals like Diwali, Ramzan, Christmas, Guru Purab, and now we have one more festival. Do you know what festival is this? Before we learn this, we will sing one song. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. What do you mean by this song? It means that in whole world our Hindustan is the best. Do you know which country do you stay? Which is our country?
India.
India is also known as Hindustan. It says in the whole world Hindustan is the best. Indians are the best. And in India we celebrate some festivals together. Whole India celebrate those festivals, and such festivals are called as national festivals. Can you name some national festivals?
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Anyone you can name?
Republic Day.
Republic Day, and even Gandhi Jayanti. On 15th August, we celebrate our Independence Day, and on 26th January, we celebrate our Republic Day. On Independence Day and Republic Day, we hoist our national flag. Do you know what colors are there in our national flag? Can you guess? I'll sing a rhyme and you should guess what those colors are, okay? Indian flags are color three, color three, color three. Indian flag has color three, saffron, white and green. Can you guess which colors are there in our Indian flag?
Saffron, white.
Saffron, yes.
White
White,
and green.
green. In between there is one Ashoka Chakra. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Y'all are amazing kids. Awesome. Okay, we hoist our national flag on 15th August and 26th January, and we salute our national flag in school. We hoist our national flags in schools, office, and many government offices also. Now, one more festival is there, which is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Do you know who is Mahatma Gandhi?
Father of the nation.
Yes, we call him father of our nation, and he is having one nickname. All children call him with a nickname. What is that nickname?
Bapu.
Bapu. We call Mahatma Gandhi ji as Bapu, and his birthday is celebrated as National Festival, which is celebrated on which day? October 2nd. October 2nd we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Can you tell where can you see Bapu's picture more?
Currency notes.
Yeah, on currency note you can see Gandhiji's picture, and you can see in your school also there will be Bapu's photo, and we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. Today we learned about national festivals which are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now we have exercise just after the lessons. You all will read and solve the exercise with the help of your parent. Okay? Bye children. Have a nice day.